Are you tired of bland salads and unsatisfying meals in your quest to eat healthier? What if I told you that low-calorie lunches can be both delicious and filling? Stay tuned as we explore mouth-watering recipes and tips to make your midday meals the highlight of your day, all while keeping the calories in check. Understanding low-calorie lunches. What exactly qualifies a meal as low-calorie, and why should you consider incorporating them into your diet? A low-calorie lunch typically contains between 300 to 500 calories, depending on individual dietary needs. Incorporating such meals can aid in weight management, enhance energy levels, and improve overall health. The key is to focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals without excessive calories. But how can you create a meal that's both low in calories and satisfying? Building a balanced low-calorie lunch. Is it possible to enjoy a hearty meal without exceeding your calorie goals? Absolutely. A balanced low-calorie lunch should include lean proteins, such as grilled chicken, tofu, or legumes, to keep you full and support muscle health. Fiber-rich vegetables, like spinach, broccoli, or bell peppers, to add volume and nutrients. Healthy fats, including avocado or olive oil, to promote satiety and nutrient absorption. Combining these elements ensures your meal is both satisfying and nutritious. What are some practical examples of such meals that you can easily prepare? Quick and easy, low-calorie lunch recipes. Can healthy eating fit into a busy lifestyle without compromising on taste? Absolutely. Here are some quick and delicious low-calorie lunch ideas. Whole wheat veggie wrap. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with hummus, mixed greens, shredded carrots, and sliced bell peppers for a fiber-rich meal. Lemon chicken pasta. Combine whole grain pasta with grilled chicken, steamed broccoli, and a light lemon sauce for a zesty, protein-packed dish. Egg salad. Lettuce wraps. Swap the bread for crisp lettuce leaves and fill them with a light egg salad for a low-carb, high-protein option. These recipes are not only low in calories, but also quick to prepare, making them perfect for busy days. How can you ensure these meals align with your personal health goals? Customizing low-calorie lunches to fit your dietary needs. What if you have specific dietary restrictions or preferences? Can low-calorie lunches still work for you? Certainly. Whether you're vegetarian, gluten-free, or following another dietary plan, you can adapt low-calorie lunches to meet your needs. Vegetarian options. Incorporate plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, or tofu. Gluten-free choices. Use gluten-free grains such as quinoa or rice, and ensure dressings and sauces are free from gluten. Dairy-free alternatives. Opt for plant-based dairy substitutes and avoid cheese or creamy dressings. By tailoring ingredients to your dietary requirements, you can enjoy flavorful and compliant low-calorie meals. What are some common pitfalls to avoid when preparing low-calorie lunches? Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Could your healthy lunch choices be sabotaging your calorie goals without you realizing it? It's possible. Here are some common mistakes. Overuse of dressings and sauces. These can add hidden calories. Opt for light or homemade versions. Skipping protein. A lack of protein can lead to hunger soon after eating. Ensure each meal includes a protein source. Ignoring portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. Be mindful of serving sizes. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can make more informed choices and maintain the benefits of your low-calorie lunches. Creating delicious and satisfying low-calorie lunches is entirely achievable with a bit of planning and creativity. By understanding what constitutes a low-calorie meal, building balanced plates, customizing to your dietary needs, and avoiding common mistakes, you can enjoy flavorful lunches that support your health goals. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your favorite low-calorie lunch recipes in the comments below. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.